Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to exploring the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today we're diving into the word attack, an A2 level noun that means an act of aggression or violence. This is a word you might encounter in news reports, action movies, or even discussions about sports or challenges. Let's break it down and see how it works in different contexts. The word attack is often used when describing situations where someone or something tries to harm another. For example, the castle survived the enemy's attack, or the sudden attack by the wild animals scared everyone. It can also refer to aggressive moves in sports or games, like in soccer when the team goes on the attack to score a goal. Some useful synonyms for attack include assault, offensive, and raid. Let's see them in action. The soldiers planned a surprise raid on the enemy camp. The player launched an aggressive offensive to win the match. The assault on the city was sudden and devastating. Each of these words gives a slightly different flavor to the situation, but they all share the core idea of an act of aggression or violence. On the flip side, antonyms for attack include defense, protection, and retreat. For instance, the knight raised his shield in defense of the kingdom. The volunteers formed a line to provide protection for the refugees. The enemy's sudden retreat gave us a chance to regroup. These words highlight the opposite idea, resisting or avoiding harm rather than causing it. In everyday life, the word attack can be used in physical, emotional, or even metaphorical ways. You might hear someone say, "The lawyer's harsh comments felt like a personal attack." Or, "The chef's new dish was under attack from critics, but customers loved it." It's also common in phrases like under attack, meaning being criticized or physically threatened, or launch an attack, meaning to initiate aggression. Here are a few more examples of attack in sentences. The bees launched an attack when their hive was disturbed. The government condemned the terrorist attack in the capital city. The chess player's bold attack forced their opponent to surrender. To wrap up, attack is a versatile noun with a strong meaning connected to aggression or violence. We've explored its definition, looked at synonyms like assault, offensive, and raid, and contrasted it with antonyms like defense, protection, and retreat. We've seen how it fits into everyday conversations, news, and even sports. I hope you'll try using attack in your own sentences and share them with us in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Until next time, keep learning and exploring new words. See you soon.